In this video, I'm going to determine if the medians of three brands, brand A, brand B, brand C of chemical sprays are different. To do that, I'm going to use a Gemini. So the first step is I'll enter that data there, which is appearing on the right. I'll enter it in Google Sheets. So I have my Google Sheet, and I have entered here for the brand A and put the values. For the brand B, put in the values, and the brand C, put in the values. Then I've saved this file here as data. And the next step, I'll open another tab here, then go on to Gemini. I type in the following in my web browser. So it's gemini.google.com. And then I press the return key. So now what I want to do is to use the Kruskal Wallis test to determine if the medians of the three brands are different. So what I will do is I will type in my prompt here. I use the Kruskal Wallis test to determine if the medians are different. And the next step now is to upload the dataset that I saved in Google Sheets. But to do this, it's only possible when you are using Gemini Advanced. So I'll click on this plus here and then add from drive. But you can also upload Excel files. So I'll upload the Google Sheets that I have. So I'll go to recent here because I want to check the recent file that I've just edited. So this one here, which is the data set that we want. So I've entered the prompt here and uploaded the data, which is the three brands. And then I'll submit. And it's now analyzing, writing the code for the analysis, and then drafting the response. And it gives us its response there. It says the data appears to contain the performance of three brands, with each row representing an observation. And in this case, the Kruskal Wallis test is used to determine if there are statistical differences between two or more groups of independent variables. So it goes on and uses the Kruskal Wallis test to check for the medians. Then it gives us the result here. The Kruskal Wallis test results in an H statistic of 4.363 and a p-value of 0.113. And it goes on to give a conclusion. Since the p-value is greater than the significance level of 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means that there is not enough evidence to conclude that there are significant differences in the medians among the three brands A, B, and C. But in this case, it's just saying we fail to reject the null hypothesis. If you don't know what the null hypothesis is, I can just ask it to state what the null hypothesis is. State the null hypothesis. So it goes on to say the null hypothesis for the Kruskal Wallis test is that there is no difference in the medians of the groups being compared. In this case, the null hypothesis is that the median performance of brand A, brand B, and brand C are equal. So that's the null hypothesis there, which is the one which it was saying that we are failing to reject the null hypothesis. So in this case, I can see that it's giving a result which is fairly accurate. Because I had done this problem and used the formula, and the result that I had obtained is this one here. So using the formula, I had obtained the result 4.3626, which is similar to the one that is obtained by Gemini there. So I'm saying that it is fairly accurate as the values are just the same.